I've been anticipating this pair of Air Jordan 1s. I am very excited for these to release. We're not getting a release for another few weeks. I had to buy these early. These are straight fire. I'm very excited to be wearing these. I cannot wait. These are gonna be a problem. The UNCito Air Jordan 1, you guys still have a chance to get yourself a pair for completely free. To enter this free sneaker giveaway, all you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe, leave a comment, let me know your size, and then DM me proof on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Take a picture, take a screenshot, send me proof that you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Good luck on the UNCito Air Jordan 1 giveaway. This giveaway ends at the beginning of next month, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair. Make sure you guys come back to the channel to find out who wins the UNCito Air Jordan 1s. Good luck. Sneakerheads, this is my favorite sneaker bag to hold your sneakers safely and securely with you when you're traveling. These dividers actually come out. You can play around with them, put your clothes, laptop, chargers, your shoes, and a bunch more. You have plenty of room, plenty of space for all of your goods. There's also side compartments as well. Make sure you guys go cop yourself a fire Sole Premise bag with my link down below in the description, and use my promo code DannyMoore for 40% off your entire order. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring this fire video. I have to give a big shout out to Chicago Imperium. That's where I got these from. Make sure you guys check him out, give him a follow on Instagram, and if you're gonna buy anything from his website, use my code DannyMoore for $10 off your order. I'll have everything linked for you for Chicago Imperium down below in the description. That's my early plug. Make sure you guys go check him out. Now, let's get into these Air Jordan 1s. These are fire. These do release. They did get pushed back. They were supposed to release in July. They got pushed back to August 4th. This is a size 10.5 Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG. Why is this an OG? You guys are gonna find out in a second. I am so excited for these to release. This is a great shoe. This is a phenomenal colorway. I wish this was the high. It's not, but it's the next best thing, if you ask me. I'm thrilled, and I'm very excited to see the quality. Here they are. These are crazy nice, crazy good. The Air Jordan 1 Low Black Toe, and it's about time we have the Nike Air branding, how it's supposed to be. I am thrilled, man. I am so happy. We did get this colorway, this color blocking, the same shoe almost, just a few years ago, and those are reselling for what, $400, $500? It's absolutely ridiculous. So I'm happy to say these are not going to be reselling for much at all, which is a good thing if you're looking for a personal pair. These are crazy good, and the quality of this leather, I am shocked. You guys can see how wrinkled it is, how good it looks. There is a little shine to it, as you guys can see, but it's not overwhelming, and it's just good leather. They put really nice leather on these Jordan 1 Lows. I'm very happy. My only complaint has got to be the red laces. Why red? Why did you do it to us with the red? And I will say, the red does not even match the back of the shoe. Take a look at the back, and then take a look at the laces. This one's definitely out more. There's a good look at the lace, and take a look at the back. Just not the same red. It's definitely brighter on the laces. Thankfully, we got black laces here, because that is definitely going to be a go-to for me in this sneaker. The Jordan 1 Low is very comfortable. Very comfortable. If you're looking for an alternative to maybe an Air Force One, or you just want a good low top sneaker for the summer, this is it. This is it. You can wear these all year long. It's an all leather shoe. These are great. They did a great job. The quality really has blown me away. I was not expecting this good of leather on this shoe, especially when the other pair is trash leather. So I'm very happy to report that the Nike Air pair here looks great. They did a great job. You got the white insole with the black Nike Air. I do wish we got the highs. We will get the highs again. It's only a matter of time before they retro them. It will happen. But these are great, man. Retail $140. Resell's not going to be high at all, if there even will be much resell. If there even will be. So I definitely recommend. It's a great personal. They're going to be affordable, and you cannot go wrong with the colorway, the color blocking. This is great. I was not expecting to like these as much as I do right now. I'm shocked. I think these are gonna shock people with the leather quality, definitely, especially around that toe box. It's so nice and plush, and especially the black. Usually around the mud guards, we get trash leather. This time, not at all. It seems like that leather might be even better than what's on the toe box. That is great. I am so thrilled and happy to say these are straight fire. Will they sell out? I do think so. I definitely think they will sell out. It will be a slow sellout. There's a lot of pairs, but I definitely recommend buying them. If you guys like this shoe, if you like the black toe color blocking, this is it. This is it right here. These are everything we could ask for and more with this leather quality, if you ask me. The red laces can do without. I wish we had white laces or maybe cream. Maybe that would look good, but the black is definitely where I will be going to, man. These are great. The leather quality, I am shocked. I am shocked. Finally have some black toes in the collection. That's great to say, because the black toe Jordan 1 High OGs are expensive. Very expensive. So I think this is a great, great cop. Will they go up in price? It'll take time. It's gonna take time, especially what's going on in the market and everything. Sure, they could go up, it will, but it definitely will take time. It's not gonna be a fast rising shoe by any means. I definitely think a lot of people are gonna sleep on them though, and I think one day they will regret it big time, especially when you get the shoe in hand. I think you guys are gonna be shocked at how good they are and actually like them a lot more in hand. These are fire. They did a great job on the black toe Jordan 1 lows. Don't sleep. August 4th, retail $140. You can't go wrong with the black toe Jordan 1. And it's in a low top with Nike Air. Finally with Nike Air. Great job. Wings logo on the back. All leather upper. Very soft, supple leather. They did a great job. No complaints from me on the black toe Jordan 1 lows. I love these. These are fire. If you guys want me to do a wear test video before these release, leave a comment down below and let me know. If you guys can get this video up to 500 likes, I'll make it happen. So make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. And make sure you guys give me a follow on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. I'll leave the link down below in the description. Make sure you guys give me a follow on Instagram. I think people are going to be shocked. And one more thing, I do recommend going true to size. Or if you want, go down half a size. Do not go up any sizes. They do run a little big if you ask me. This is a great pair. And an OG colorway, OG form, I'm happy with the black toe Air Jordan 1 lows. If you're going to be copying the Air Jordan 1 low black toe, comment a bunch of fire emojis down below in the comments. If you're passing, please comment a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who's copying and who's not. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.